At its Halle site, KSB develops and manufactures powerful pumps with a focus on water and wastewater transport. As evidence of the high quality of a pump ordered and its contractually defined specifications, a hydraulic performance test is carried out. The test setup and procedure will be explained using the example of an AmaCan pump. First of all, the pump is installed on the test stand. It's lowered into a discharge tube. The discharge tube is then closed and the entire system is filled with water. The test setup comprises the pump with its discharge line and a pressure transmitter, the measurement line on the discharge side, a magnetic inductive flow meter, and the throttle valve. The test procedure outputs a pump characteristic curve illustrating the head H as a function of the flow rate Q. The flow rate is measured using a magnetic inductive flow meter. The head is calculated by measuring the pressure with the pressure transmitters and applying the Bernoulli equation. These values are used to compute a characteristic curve based on 7 measurement points. For this purpose, the flow rate is adjusted. To do so, the throttle valve is closed in 7 stages. To start with, the throttle valve is open with a maximum flow rate Qmax. The valve is then gradually closed and the measured values are recorded. These values are verified against the contractually defined specifications. This serves to check whether the pump meets its guaranteed requirements. Decisive for the test procedure is the guaranteed point, the intersection between the contractually specified guaranteed head and the guaranteed flow rate. The pump test can be witnessed remotely or directly on site at KSB. The pump has passed the test when the flow rate and/or head are within the defined tolerances. A positive test result confirms that the pump is of high quality and meets our customer's specific requirements.